Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in consumer electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of premium home entertainment with the VIZIO 75-inch Quantum Pro 4K QLED Smart TV. Let's see what this impressive piece of tech has to offer. First off, let's talk visuals. The VIZIO Quantum Pro boasts stunning 4K QLED HDR picture quality, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts thanks to Dolby Vision and full-array local dimming. With over 1 billion colors at your disposal, every scene comes to life with unparalleled clarity and brilliance. But it's not just for movie nights. This TV is a powerhouse for gaming with its 120Hz refresh rate at 4K and impressive 240Hz at 1080p. Ensuring smooth gameplay even during fast-paced action sequences. And with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro certification, you'll experience tear-free gaming sessions like never before. Now, let's talk about connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6E and Apple AirPlay, streaming your favorite content from your smartphone or laptop is a breeze. Plus, Chromecast built-in expands your entertainment options, giving you access to a wide range of streaming services and apps right at your fingertips. In terms of design, the VIZIO Quantum Pro impresses with its sleek and modern aesthetic. The slim profile and narrow bezels make it a stylish addition to any living space. And with features like wide viewing angle and anti-reflective film, everyone in the room gets a premium viewing experience, no matter where they're seated. In conclusion, the VIZIO 75-inch Quantum Pro 4K QLED Smart TV is a true powerhouse in home entertainment. With its stunning visuals, immersive gaming experience, and smart features, it's sure to elevate your viewing experience to new heights. So why wait? Upgrade your home theater setup today with the VIZIO Quantum Pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique.